10/25/2020, Facebook. Oh yes, here it is on the daily chart. But I want to tell everybody something in this video. You've got earnings manipulation. You got Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, Alphabet, C and Google, Amazon, all reporting earnings in the same week. That has only happened 3 other times in the past. Only 3. And of course, all of your retail traders are going to be watching this one. This one's had a great breakout, a great move. Snapchat did real well with the big comeback. Problem is, this one's getting overbought going into the earnings season. And let me tell you something. The other thing that I know, that each time that it's always been a down week, and it has. And the triple Qs have underperformed the market, and they have. QQQs, okay, has underperformed the market on a relative basis. It's time to be cautious on big tech, is what I'm telling you. And we'll be watching that one, and earnings manipulation and volatility will be at its highest level this week compared to any other week of this calendar year. And I'm giving all my managers and everyone the updates as I send the video links out to your emails today. You'll watch them. One of the things that I'm talking about is that we're going to be looking, because the thing about all of this, so far, we've been right, and we are. And when Netflix reported, and when Netflix earnings went the way that they did, and we called that big move, when Netflix kicked off the earnings season, so go Netflix, so goes the earnings season, as I said. And you Facebook lovers have got another issue coming, and you do. Now, one thing that I can say for everybody, and I'll do it when I do the NASDAQ 100, and I'll give you guys some clues about the short interest that has been accumulated. And when we take a look at the kind of selling that came out of the triple Qs on Friday, yeah, on Friday, there was a big seller. And there was. And so the thing about this whole thing is that that's what happens in these cases. And we know it. But we know it very clear is what we know it. And when I say that the problems are there, they're definitely there. And they are. And we need to shake out the buyers. When I update all my people on the NASDAQ 100 and the NASDAQ comp, and then, look, cloud stocks are going to do okay. But a lot of your high flyers are going to be subject to more volatility this week, and it's going to be horrendous. And if I were you, you're not a professional. You don't know the mechanics of the after-hours earnings market, and you don't. And there's lots of things that are going to steal the option premium out of the call side of the market and the put side. They're going to steal from both, and they are. And old Clint Eastwood is nearing 100, man. You know. But nonetheless, one of the things that we're going to be talking about is the fact that there will be massive volatility, and everybody is expecting the same thing. And I tell people about this, and I don't listen. It's okay. Our people listen and they make money. When the majority of the crowd is wrong, and when the majority of the crowd is wrong, you make a fortune. It's always been that way. It's never going away. And it's not going to go away this week. And it's not going to go away with Facebook being up here on the daily chart, up here at the highs. Let's go ahead and take a look at Facebook on the weekly. How about that? Let's get started there. How about that? There you go. How about that? Very, very strong. And they created a chat thing in their Instagram. And the thing about it is, money went into Snapchat on the advertising, and so these advertising dollars now are starting to get spread around to other smaller places, and they are. Now, Facebook delivers, they're a monster, as they are. But people are bearish on Facebook, and they are. And we know what the sentiment is on each one of these stocks and with the short interest. Oh boy, do we know it. We got it right down to the penny on Facebook. And that volatility in Facebook is going to make us a ton of money. Let us develop the relationship together. In the live trading room is where the magic will happen. And it will happen while you're watching me do it. Just like I do on all the videos, all live trades. And we've been doing it. We've been on this YouTube channel for, 12 years. Yeah. And we have more live trading videos than any of them. And we're good at what we do. And we're good at building relationships because we do believe that the right people are very, very worthy of learning how markets manipulate them, trash them, and what volatility does. There's many, 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 many things. Oh boy, I'm not going to say it in this video because this is an earnings preview, and what will happen with the combination of volatility this week is that people are going to get whipped around in these markets. There's going to be a lot of money made, and there's going to be a lot of money lost. And once again, we will pick them off one at a time. And we will take that volatility, we will take their manipulation, and we will turn that into gold as we always do and will do this week. Anyways, enjoy the Facebook. Enjoy the trade that we have set up and what we're going to be doing with Facebook because we're going to make lots of money. You're welcome to join us. How about that?